Hi everybody, and welcome to the much awaited unboxing of my Yogi Fellow drill from my website. It's a 35,000 RPM drill and it comes in this lovely box. It features a touchscreen control pad. It's got variable speed, forward and reverse, low vibration and low noise. So without too much delay, let's get into this. Okay, there we go. All right. Ooh, look there. So we've got our instructions. Always handy to have this nice little manual. And then we've got a stand. Very nice. Our plug. Very nice. I've got it set for US plug on my store. We've got some sanding bands. Some drill bits. Ooh, some more drill bits. Bonus. Extras. So you've got a 3/32 inch flame bit. And you've got a 3/32 inch smooth top bit. So our safety bit. And these are both ceramic bits. And then you've got the regular diamond tip bits and some more sanding bands. And here's the star of the show, our drill. So, ooh, so satisfying to peel. Oh, look at that. Love that. So it is so pretty. I got the rose gold version. And it comes, of course, with a handset. And it's got a nice stretchy cord for the handset. Very good. So I'm going to plug it in there. That's our handset. Plug that in there. We'll get rid of this box for a second. And this is how you'll support your handset when you're not using it. And we're just going to give this a little plug up. And I'm going to grab some test samples to try it on. You'll get to see it right along with me. All right, some test samples. And give it a little juice over here. She's good to go. Ooh, on. So we've got on. Ooh. Lock, unlock. So to unlock, very nice. Unlock to pull out. We'll try the flame bit. Maybe not unlocking. There we go. It just clicks to unlock. And click back to lock. Locks in securely. Very nice. Let's give it a try. This is a little acrylic sample. So we're going to put it on and forward, and we're going to okay. Short delay. Sorry about that. All right. You got it at 10,000 RPM. Let's do 21. Let's try the edges. All right. Very good. I'm gonna try a sanding band on the arbor. I'm gonna try it with this. Overall impressions is pretty great. I like the touch screen. You can just simply turn it on and off as desired. It's got a good selection of bits that it comes with. Let's see how it does on gel. Ooh, really well on gel. Debulks very well. It's great.